leverage available article tools located below the byline and header image of the text. Easily share text on platforms like Google Classroom or save articles to your library. Toggle on paragraph numbers to help guide students to specific sections of the text. Click the Listen button. Both students and teachers can experience an immersive reading experience as the article is read aloud. Individuals can adjust the reading speed according to their preferences for a pace best suited for them. Use the Present feature to display the text in order to model important skills, preview a text or activity, and engage in whole group discussion. Or hide articles that may be distracting or not appropriate for your learners. You can also add them to text sets. Add an article to an existing text set or create a new one. Lastly, adjust the text size to best suit the needs of your students.